Hey everyone, it's your boy Slick Pits, and you're watching Dive Time Watch Reviews. Today, we're stepping into history, not with a luxury Rolex, but with something built for the everyday man. This is the Steeldive SD1954V, a modern homage to one of the most iconic watches ever worn, the Submariner 6538 from Dr. No on the wrist of James Bond himself. And today, we're asking a simple question. Can you capture that same spirit without the Rolex price tag? Alright guys, so what you got here, of course, from Steeldive is going to be that nice little travel case that they sent with it. And we're going to get this thing open. Here we go. And there's the Steeldive 1954V. Get some of this packaging and all this good stuff out of here real quick. And of course, a little extra packaging. And here we go with your warranty card. Move that out of the way. And we also, of course, have an instruction manual for this watch. Gotta have that. Keep that to the side. And let's get to the watch itself. I move this out of the way here and get this out of the packaging. And here we go. Look at the dial, guys. The reason I went with this watch as the homage to the 6538 is based on the dial. Of course, the original 6538 had a big crown, but this one does not. This one has crown guards, but the vintage look on the dial is really what I was going for when I wanted that real good throwback vibe. Let's get some packaging off, shall we? All right, through the power of editing, we've got the wrapping off so you can get a good glimpse of that dial. Coming at 41 millimeters with a 48 millimeter lug to lug and 13.5 millimeters thick, this sits right in that sweet spot for a modern dive watch. 316L stainless steel, sapphire crystal up top, and a full 300 meters of water resistance. You're getting a Seiko NH35 automatic movement, one of the most proven workhorse movements in the game, guys. 20 millimeters lug width, making this a strap monster. And yeah, we're going to talk about that in a second. This watch comes on a really nice rubber strap, but this is where things get interesting. The original Bond watch wasn't worn on a bracelet. It was worn on a simple military-style strap. Functional, rugged, built for action. And that's exactly where this BluShark AlphaPremier Vintage Bond strap comes in. You throw this on, and instantly, this watch transforms. This is what I love about watches like this. You're not just wearing a watch, you're building a look, a story, a character. And on this strap, this thing feels just right. First impressions, this thing feels solid. The case has presence, the bezel, it's got a solid feel to it. There's no backlash, and I love that the grooves on the outside of the bezel allow me to grip it. So I know that when I'm going to be underwater, it won't be hard for me to be able to move that bezel at all. Overall, it's just going to feel like it punches way above its price point, especially knowing I paid well under $100 for this thing. This is not trying to be a Rolex. It's giving you the look, the feel, the vibe at a level that actually makes sense. But here's the real question. How does it hold up in the real world? In the water, on the wrist, under pressure? That's where we're about to find out. If you enjoyed this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. And remember folks, it's not about the cost of your watch, it's about the adventures and the memories we make with them. I'm your boy Slick Pits, and I'm out.